Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to do Reeborg's world around 4. Last time we did around 3. So this time we're going to do around 4. So okay, all we have to do is just change the first part. How many times? 4. So we go here 4 times. So it's here. So all we have to do is make a code that comes like this. Yep. Yes, it's correct. Now all we have to do is just come over here and delete all of these. All we have to do is just come over here to Reeborg's keyboard, and now we have to do is turn left once. Yep, and turn again left, like turn backwards, and then we have to make it turn right, so 3 times. So no, then we have to move it, then 3 times turn left, 1 2 3, and then we have to make it go up twice, move, then we have to make it turn right again, 1 2 3, then we have to move it 3 times, 1 2 3, and then we have to turn it 1 2 3, and then move 2 times, and then turn left. Okay guys, now let's check it. It has to work. Yeah, it has to work. It will work, I think. Yep, it will work, I think. Yeah, it will work. Not I think, it's 100% working. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.